Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to make turmeric face mask. So let's switch into the video. So these are the things that we are going to use. This is my container, this is turmeric, this is brown sugar, and this is honey. So we are going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 tablespoon of turmeric, and 1 tablespoon of honey. And we mix them very well. I think you can see the mixture. Still mixing. Guys, turmeric has very bad stains. Like, if you're going to use it, make sure that you use the cloth, or you wear the cloth that you're not so much interested in, like you don't love it very much. Because if it stains falls on it, for example, if it is white, oh, probably you're going to lose that blouse or top, or be it a trouser. So you have to be very careful and wearing something that you don't really love that much. So this is our mixture, you can see guys. Now I'm going to be applying it on my face as you watch. Guys, turmeric scrub is very nice because it exfoliates the dead skin, giving you a moisturized skin and giving you a glowing tone. It also helps in fighting acne and lightening dark circles on the skin. So basically turmeric scrub is very nice for you. So guys, let's go. You have to do it in a circular motion all over your face. Carefully. Guys, this scrub is the best, I can tell you. Just try it. And it is good for all skin colors. So you have to leave it for 20 to 30 minutes and then wash it away. Wash it off with lukewarm water, not cold and not hot, lukewarm water. And then add on your moisturizer, your daily moisturizer, and you're done. So you can try it, like you can do it like twice a week and you will get good results, I'm promising you. And now I am left with keeping it to dry and then wash it off. So guys, thank you for watching. Catch up in the next video. Bye.